Broadcasting to an empty room is exhausting. You pour energy into a void, hoping something echoes back. A real-time digital co-host solves this by reading your audience's chat and listening to your microphone to respond instantly. We break this AI into 3 pieces: cognition, vocalization, and integration. The brain, the voice, and the body. You don't need to write a single line of code to build this. You just align the software keys between existing platforms. Instead of forcing engagement, you now have a system that generates a continuous, automated conversation with your chat. To give this entity a brain, we outsource the processing to external servers using an API key. You set up an OpenAI account, load it with the $5 minimum, and generate your secret key. The costs are minimal. Using the GPT-4o mini model, 1,000 chat interactions cost you roughly 10 cents. For the voice, you retrieve a secondary API key from an 11 Labs account, which provides a pool of free audio credits to start. Treat both keys like passwords. If they leak, others can spend your credits, so keep them strictly private. We now have the raw potential for thought and speech, but these keys require a structured environment to function. StreamElements acts as the central nervous system. It is the platform that will house the AI's brain and voice. To let this system read your chat and listen to your microphone, you need a JWT token. This credential grants the widget the necessary read and write access. When we feed the OpenAI, 11 Labs, and JWT streams into the widget's authentication matrix, they merge to activate the hub. Once authenticated, the system generates a single URL. This link is your fully packaged AI companion. Paste that URL into OBS or Streamlabs as a 1920 by 1080 browser source, and make sure to enable audio monitoring so you can hear the output. This bridge allows your standard broadcasting software to function as a two-way interactive stage. Functional intelligence is only the first step. Without a distinct identity, the bot is just another technical tool. We define how the AI behaves using a personality prefix. This text prompt acts as a directive for its tone and character traits. The difference is clear. A generic command like "be funny" is vague, while a trait-driven prompt like "sarcastic Victorian butler" produces much higher quality responses. You must also add a response length limit to the prompt. Limiting replies to 2 sentences keeps the pace fast and aggressively curbs your token costs. Enabling auto mode allows the AI to respond to users automatically, creating unprompted dialogue without waiting for a specific command. A specific personality ensures the AI reacts in a way that fits your broadcast, turning a technical tool into a recognizable part of your show. Before you go live, you have to stress test this architecture in an offline environment. Use your channel's offline chat to trigger text-to-speech commands and verify that the avatar animations are switching correctly. Test the microphone module by speaking your trigger word. Ensure the voice command latency is low and audio monitoring is set to a clear level. Use these results to make final adjustments to visual positioning, audio balancing, and text box shadows. For more advanced troubleshooting or token management strategies, refer to the full setup guide in the description. Completing this build provides a persistent, responsive partner that manages chat engagement while you focus on the broadcast.